So, my dear ones, as you know that I have a few minutes ago I have told you that Hindi should be our office language. Hindi should be compulsory in our offices. So, you have to speak, you have to express your views on the point in the favor of Hindi language in our offices. So, I think you are ready. Have you given your names in the chat mailbox? If not, then please start giving your names. Yes, hurry up so that I can start today's session. Very good. I have not yet got any names in the mailbox. Please give your names. Yes, come on. Yes, Harshit. I have got the first name of Harshit. So, yes, Harshit, come on.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sir.
Huh.
Is there time foundation?
No, 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 no time obligation.
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Moore. I'm the student of number 1 online interactive classes. Today's my topic is how Hindi is compulsory in all the offices. As we know that in India, the mother tongue is Hindi, and Hindi is spoken all over the India.
Hmm.
And according to me, this should be in offices as it's our mother tongue, so everyone knows how to speak right this language, so everyone would be comfortable in this language in the office, and there will be a togetherness. There won't be this that you don't know the foreign language in this way, uh, and if there will be work in Hindi all over the world, we will have togetherness, and we would think that it is more important than the foreign languages. And now, um, and the people who are belonging to India sometimes have the problems with foreign languages, but if the work will be done in Hindi language, uh, it will it would be easy for them to catch the things easier than they catch in the foreign languages,
Hmm.
as they have learnt it from their childhood
Hmm.
to speak write this language
Hmm.
and write this language.
Hmm.
And in the past we could say that in the parts of south of India,
Hmm.
and sometimes there were not given priorities to
Hmm.
Hindi, but nowadays, as you can see, that Hindi has a different priority in India, and people are going towards it.
Hmm.
And nowadays, also the people living in South starts have started speaking in Hindi, and as we can see that there are many things in our country that are written in Hindi things. So this is the way to appreciate the things that are in Hindi. As we can see, all the media channels on our programs are in Hindi for the channels which are in India,
Hmm.
and in the newspapers that are both the most are also the newspapers of Hindi, because people nowadays prefer to speak Hindi as it is easy to write, easy to learn, and easy to speak. That's it, sir.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay, beta. Okay, very good. So now I think this is the name of Rohit.
Yes, sir. So can I start?
Yes.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about that Hindi should be compulsory in all our offices or not. I'm in favor that Hindi should be compulsory in all our government and private offices,
Hmm.
as Hindi is our mother tongue, and all the people in India speaks Hindi and know very well about Hindi. In some of the private offices or in government offices also, big offices also, people speak English. So for that I want to say that by speaking English in our offices, we promote foreign language, not our mother tongue, that is Hindi. And if you like we can see the western countries like Russia, China, Japan, these types of these countries promote their mother tongue like Japanese, Russian, Chinese. These languages are promoted by their own countries, but we India promote foreign languages like English is mostly promoted in India. But for that, I want to say that while if we all the people don't know English, and if we want a togetherness in the offices, we should apply Hindi as an compulsory language in our offices. By applying this, the in our in offices we see that some people come from many states, like some from Telangana, Tamil Nadu, from South, every place of India. People come and work in a office and runs our beautiful country India. And at this time, the people of South and the people of East don't know, sometimes they don't know English, sometimes they don't know Hindi. And living in an atmosphere of people who are speaking Hindi, they will also learn Hindi and promote their mother tongue. And as we all know that if we promote Hindi everywhere, so we will strong we will make strong our country Bharat. That's it.
Very good. Shabash. Nice, beta. Yes, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad, and today my topic is should Hindi should be compulsory in all the Indian offices or not. I am in favor that Hindi should be compulsory in all the Indian offices, as it helps to make our country more diverse, and mm, and we can know about every person living in India. Like if a person if there is a particular language in every state or every office, then peop, then if the people would be from any state, they would be able to know about each other. Like if a person is from Tamil Nadu and a person is from Jaipur, then they both can speak Hindi and know about each other very well. But if there would be no particular language, then one would be speaking Tamil and one would be speaking Marwari, then they will not be able to make themselves comfortable at that area. And in many other countries also, like Britain, Russia, America, they speak their mother tongue, that are English, English, Russian, etc. Jan- English, 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 Russian, etc. By in this way, they make their country more diverse, and it also indicates that they want to make their mother tongue spoken in all over the world. In this way, the people know more about their culture, and they are big people like prime minister, president. They speak in speeches or press conference in their mother tongue. And if we will do same in India also, then other would also be doing same. They would be speaking and teaching mother tongue Hindi in their schools, that's
वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा. ये तो सभी लोग ध्यान रखो, कंडीशनल सेंटेंस गलत बोलते हो आप लोग. ओपन कंडीशन में दोनों तरफ सिंपल फ्यूचर यूज कर लेते हो आप लोग. ध्यान दो थोड़ा सा. ग्रामेटिकली गलत होता है वो, है ना. चलो कोई बात नहीं है. यस नाउ रक्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Dakshit Maurya and today's our topic is should Hindi be spoken all over Bharat. As we all know that India is India is the national language of Bharat, and we know that in most of the parts of the country it is spoken and it is an environmental language. Most of the people of India learn it by by the and by living in the environment, not by learning it. And so for most of the people of India, if they want to be good in Hindi, then it will become easy for them, and they do not have to learn to speak Hindi, and 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 in Bharat, and Hindi should be spoken all over the country, because because it is the national language of India. And
Hmm.
before, in the past time, South Indian people opposed Hindi, but now the ratio of the people opposing Hindi in the South is decreasing, and everyone are coming towards
इज कमिंग
towards
आर कैसे आएगा एवरीवन के साथ में?
Okay.
थोड़ा
Okay,
ध्यान
sir.
से बोलो.
Everyone is coming towards Hindi and wants to learn Hindi, and because because if you migrate from one state to another, and if you don't know the language of there, then the Hindi becomes very easy for you to communicate by the help of Hindi, because everyone, most of the people know it, and you do not you do not need to learn the language of there. And but and but now in India, speaking English is English if speaking English is thought to be is thought that it brings respect for for the person who speaks English. But not only for it, Hindi should also be given respect, and everyone, and it is given respect in India also. And
Hmm.
PM Modi, PM PM Modi also speaks Hindi in his meetings of foreign also. And if 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 Hindi is spoken all over in India, then it will make a national unity, and can bring people closer. And so that's it.
वेरी गुड. बहुत बढ़िया. इट विल मेक की जगह इट विल डेवलप.
Okay, sir.
थोड़ा सा फोकस करेंगे, इसलिए मैंने कहा अपनी रीड स्पीकिंग को सुना करो. मैं बीच में इसलिए नहीं टोकता हूँ ज्यादा, क्योंकि फिर तुम्हारा बोलने का फ्लो खत्म हो जाएगा, है ना. पर एक बार सुना करो, आपको महसूस होगा कि हाँ कहीं पर कुछ इम्प्रूव करने की जगह है. यस, कम ऑन सुशील.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Sushil and I am student of the Ramban online interactive classes from 16.
Oh.
And today our topic is should Hindi compulsory in offices of India. So today I will speak in the favor of this language. As we know that language is very important because by language we can express our views, and also we can share information to others. And in this world every country has on its language,
Has
like
its own language. हम बोलो.
yes sir, on its language, like China has its own language, Chinese, and German has Germany, and America has English. But our country doesn't doesn't have. Why? We are using foreign language. Why? When if we are able to use Hindi language, so why are we using English language? And when someone speaks English, so he is also not 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 able to speak English. And as we know that from our childhood, we are using Hindi.
Hmm.
And when we come in offices and in our schools, we have to use English language.
Hmm.
But our teachers don't think that we are more able to use Hindi than English language.
Hmm.
So in my views, Hindi should be compulsory in India. So that's it.
Very good, Shabash. Nice speaking. Shabash. I think all have done. Thank you very much.